So first, we're going to saute our garlic or bawang. Then, isunod natin ang ating onions. And keep sauteing garlic and onions. And after that, isaute natin ang ating tomato. Ayan. And then, ilagay natin ang ating ground pork. Ayan. And keep mixing our ground pork with the onions, garlic, and tomato. And then we could put salt. Lagyan natin ng asin. And then pepper. Haluin lang. And then you're gonna put a paprika, turmeric, yan, keep haluin lang ng haluin. And then lagyan natin ng green peas. And then bell pepper. And then keep mixing. Keep mixing. And then we're gonna add eggs on the top of our pork a la pobre. And matapos natin ilagay lahat ng itlog, takpan lang natin like 1 minute. And then eto na ang kanyang kalalabasan. There you go guys, our pork a la pobre by Sheila. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe na rin pag di kayo nakasubscribe. Thank you for watching!